Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.1 first question. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of 135 and 225. Before this one solution, we take it concept. To obtain HCF of two positive integers C and D, where C is greater than D, by applying Euclid's division algorithm. That is E for Euclid's, D for division, A for algorithm. EDA. Here formula where A equals to B into Q plus R, comma, Q belongs to Z plus, where 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Comparing A is greater than B, since C is greater than D, substitute in the place of A and B place C and D. That equals to C equals to D into Q plus R. In case 1, if R equals to 0, then D is the HCF of C comma D. In case 2, if R is not equals to 0, again we apply Euclid's division algorithm, that is EDA, to continue until the remainder R value comes as 0. Clearly, R equals to 0 where the D value is HCF of the given two numbers. Now, first section, first one solution. Given that the two numbers are 135 and 225, by using Euclid's division algorithm, that is A equals to B into Q plus R. Already we learned this concept in earlier classes. That is nothing but a division algorithm formula. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, where dividend as A and divisor into quotient as B into Q plus remainder as R. Let A is equals to 225 and B is equals to 135. We are comparing A is greater than B. That's why. Now we take it 135 divides 225. So 135 ones are 135. Now 5 minus 5 as 0, 12 minus 3 as 9. Now where A value as 225 equals to B into Q means 135 into 1 plus R value as 90. Next, in previous divisor value comes now as a dividend, that is 135. Now 90 ones are 90, subtract from 135. 5 minus 0 as 5, 13 minus 9 as 4, where A value as 135 equals to B into Q means 90 into 1 plus remainder R value as 45. Now previous divisor value 90 comes as dividend, that is 90. So 45 2s are 90, subtract, we get the result as 0, where A value as 90 and B into Q value as 45 into 2 plus remainder as 0, where the value of R equals 0, that 45 is the result. Therefore, the required HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Now we take it first section, second one question. 196 and 38220 solution. Given that the two numbers are 196 and 38220, by using Euclid's division algorithm, A equals to B into Q plus R. So here 38220 is greater value, 196 is smaller value. So 196 ones are 196, 12 minus 6 as 6. Now 17 minus 9 as 8. Take it 2 minus 1 as 1, down 2 as usual. We take it 2. So 196 9s are 1765. 4. That is 12 minus 4 as 8, 15 minus 6 as 9. Take it 0 down as usual. We get 196 5s are 980. So subtract that result gets as 0, where a value as 38220 and b into q value means 196 into 195 plus remainder as 0, where the remainder value as 0 we get that result as 196 is HCF. Therefore HCF of 196 and 38220 is 196. Now first section, third question, find HCF of 867 and 255. Given that the two numbers are 867 and 255, by applying Euclid's division algorithm, where A equals to B into Q plus R, where A equals to 867 and B equals to 255. So 255 divides 867. So 255 3s are 765. 7 minus 5 as 2, 6 minus 6 as 0, 8 minus 7 as 1. Now where A value as 867 equals to B into Q means 255 into 3 plus remainder as 102. Previous divisor value 255 comes under as a dividend. So 102, 2s are 204, 5 minus 4 as 1, 5 minus 0 as 5, where A equals to 255 equals to B into Q as 102 into 2 plus remainder as 51. So previous 102 comes under the dividend 102. So 51 2s are 102. We get the remainder as 0. So A value as 102 equals to B into Q means 51 into 2 plus remainder as 0. Where the remainder as 0, we get that 51 is a solution. The required HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. I hope to understand these all solutions. Thank you for selecting my video.